Whether you're looking for your first dirt bike or you're transitioning from a two-stroke, these are three simple things but very essential and important to know about a four-stroke dirt bike. And the first thing is the jetting is just as important for reliability and how your bike runs. So maybe you know that a two-stroke, the jetting can be really finicky, but on a four-stroke, if it has a carburetor, the jetting is just as important, whether it comes to starting your bike, how it runs, and just the reliability of it. So for example, if the pilot jet or fuel screw is too rich or too lean, it's going to be harder to start, hotter or colder depending on if it's richer or leaner than it should be. And if it's too rich, then it's more likely to foul a spark plug, which, yes, it is still possible on a four-stroke. And then as far as reliability goes, if it's running too lean, then the engine is going to run hotter. And four-strokes, especially the modern liquid-cooled four-strokes, they run very hot, especially if you let them sit and idle too long. But if the jetting is too lean, then it's more likely to get hot. You may see the head pipe get red hot, or you may see coolant spitting out of the overflow tube, or it can steam out of the radiator if you're riding too slow or letting it idle too long, or your clutch control is not very good. Or if you're holding it wide open all the time, if you're racing, and if the main jet is too lean, then it can burn your piston down faster. All this can cause more frequent rebuilds, which cost you time and money. So if you just spend a little time learning how to jet your four-stroke dirt bike, which I have a free guide in the description below, but if you just spend a little bit of time, you can make your dirt bike start easier, run better, and last longer, so you can ride it more without needing to work on it, rebuild it. So number two, the oil is more important for the whole engine. So a two-stroke, it's only, besides the premix oil, you have the transmission oil. Or on a four-stroke, on most bikes that have all the oil together, it's for the transmission, the clutch, and the top end. So if you run it too low on oil, or if you run it too long, it gets too sludgy and it just isn't able to lubricate well enough, or you don't have enough in there, then the first place to have problems is the top end, because the oil is being pumped up to the top end where the cam or camshafts are. And if the cam isn't getting enough oil, it's going to cause a lot more friction, more wear, and this could cause the cam to wear out, and you may hear a knocking or ticking noise. Once that happens, bad things can happen a lot quicker. Things can seize up once they get too hot in the engine. So what's the lesson here? Always check your oil to make sure there's enough and it's not too dirty before riding. So, and the third thing you need to know about your four-stroke, or if you're buying a four-stroke, is proper clutch control. And this kind of combines a little bit with the previous tip, is that when you have poor clutch control, not only is it frustrating to keep stalling it, which I show you how to prevent in this video here, but when you're slipping the clutch too much, you're causing more heat in the engine. This not only wears the clutch out faster, but heat is the biggest enemy of your engine, and when there's more heat produced by the clutch from you slipping it too much, it's going to wear out faster. So what can you do? Well, learn how to slip the clutch less, how to have proper clutch and throttle control so that you use it more efficiently. And I can show you how to do that with this simple video right here on clutch control. What do you think? Are you looking for your first four-stroke dirt bike? Let me know in the comments below. What are you looking to buy? This is Kelly Fager. Learn more, ride more, so that you can stay safe and have fun for many years to come.